In this video tutorial we will be learning about the next Kali Linux tool, DNS Recon. We will find it in information gathering, DNS analysis, and this second I already made a video on DNS NM, so now this is video on DNS Recon. So this DNS Recon is also used to enumerate the DNS records of any domains. So this is help menu. So there are various different options available with this. So its usage is like this, and we can specify a domain target by using -d domain name, or we can also specify a name server by using -n or ns underscore name server, or -fn name underscore server and the name of the name server. We can also specify the range for IP reverse lookup. We can use dictionary for brute forcing subdomains, and we can use -f to filter out brute force domain lookup, -t, that is which type of enumeration we want to perform, or -a for AXFR with standard enumeration. AXFR is asynchronous zone transfer. -s, it performs a reverse lookup of IPv4 ranges in SPF record with standard enumeration, and -g will perform Google enumeration, -b will perform Bing enumerations, and there are various options live. And we can also save the files in database or in XML format or CSV format or JSON format. And so we can also enable verbose mode. So now let us perform some operation using this tool. Sorry. uh, Now it's, I think it's visible to you. So if we simply type DNS recon -d and the name of the domain, and I will be using hack this site.org, then it will perform DNS general DNS reconnaissance, and we can see that it's running. So we can, it has come up with different name servers. These are the name servers available, and other service records. Okay, now this was just a MX record also found. A record is for IPv4 address, and AAA record gives you the IP version 6 address of that domain. So we can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 IPv6 address used. This is the mail server. This is also a mail server, and we can use, if we don't want to use general reconnaissance, we can use it by ourselves. We can use different options. So in this I will be using one simple option that I will be, you can use any options according to your wish. You can also save the files in these formats. So I will not show you all of them, I will show you some, and I am going to show you the few. Like I will be performing a Google enumeration, and at the same time I will be performing AXFR. So it's hyphen D. We can use hyphen G for Google enumeration and hyphen A for AXFR. We can use GA or AZ, or we can simply use one more hyphen A and we just press enter and it performs the reconnaissance. It is also trying a zone transfer and all the zone transfers are failing. So this is it will actually fail every time because this website is not configured for zone transferring. You can see that zone transfer is failing every time. So when it tried to do zone transfer, we found that this IP address has port 53 TCP open. Port 53 TCP open. So we can also know about the TCP port is open. This is also very important to keep in mind if you are performing a pen testing. So in this way you will be using this tool and you can now Google search enumeration is taking place. No service record has been found for this website and Google search enumeration is taking place. We did not use the threads. We could have used the threads for faster performance. You can specify the number of threads that you want to use, the more number of threads you will be using. So it's simply the number of threads to use in reverse lookups, forward lookups, brute force and SRV record enumeration. So it will be performing your task very fast because more number of threads will be working for you. So we have found that zero records found, but in previously when we did use DNS enum, we found various records in Google search. So we can use we when we are doing pen testing we will be using all the tools, so because all the tools gives us different records. For example, this gave us the AAAA information also, AAA record also, and in DNS enum we were not able to get this record, that was this its IPv6 address. We were only able to get A records. So thank you. In next tutorial we will learning about our next tool and that is Fierce. Thank you.